morning. Today we are going to speak about the speed of sound, right? Sound energy is a mechanical energy. We know mechanical energy in the sense it's require a medium like a solid or a liquid or a gas to travel, right? It cannot travel in the vacuum. That is the thing you have to remember. Second thing, sound energy travels by vibration of the particles, and the particles one to one interact each other and transfer the energy so that it comes out, right? When a sound energy enters the solid medium, here the particles are closely packed, right? So when it enters the medium, when the first particle starts to vibrate, it transfers the energy to the second one. Then third one starts to vibrate by vibration of the first one, and the energy get transferred. So the time taken is less in the solid medium for the sound to come out, right? Similarly, in the liquid, there is a space between the molecules, so the time taken for the second molecule to vibrate is little more, so the time taken to sound to come out is more, right? Similarly, gases compared to solid and liquid, the time is more. So there are two things you have to remember here about the velocity of the sound. One is that particle velocity, because the sound transfers energy in the form of particle vibration or molecule vibration, right? So the particle has a velocity, meaning that velocity is a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction, right? So if a particle starts to vibrate in the medium, it has to transfer the energy in the form of a wave. How much velocity it vibrates, right? How much it is vibrating, in which direction it is moving, that is particle velocity. Second one is the wave velocity. It forms a wave when it comes out, right? So how the wave travels through the medium, either in the air or the liquid or solid, how it travels or how much fast it travels is the velocity, or known as wave velocity. So we know the formula for velocity is distance traveled by time taken, right? So distance traveled in the sound, in the meaning is, in sound energy is the wavelength. We will measure the distance between two consecutive crest or two consecutive trough as distance. So that is the wavelength. We will define by the letter lambda, right? And the time taken to complete one full cycle, either from here to here, this is also one cycle, or from top to top, crest to crest or trough to trough, this is also time period, right? So this time period is represented by the letter T. Here it is represented by lambda, right? So velocity V is equal to distance traveled, we are replacing by lambda, and the time we are replacing by T. So we know frequency is equal to 1 by T. So V is equal to F lambda.